We'll guide you through how to create a Wix mobile app using the latest methods and features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Once you're logged into your Wix account, head over to your dashboard where you manage your website. You need to look for the App Market option in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page with various app options. In the search bar, type Wix Mobile App and select the official Wix app builder from the results. Once you've selected it, click on Add to Site to begin the setup process. Now, you'll be prompted to customize your app. Here, you can choose the design, layout, and features you want to include. Wix provides templates and easy-to-use tools to make this process straightforward. Spend some time exploring the options and tailor them to suit your brand's needs. After you've set up the design, click on the Next button to move forward. You'll then need to configure app settings such as push notifications, user permissions, and any additional features like e-commerce integration if needed. Wix makes it easy to preview your app, so take advantage of this feature to see how users will experience it on an iPhone or Android. When you're satisfied with everything, click on Publish to make your app live. It will be available for download through a direct link or via a QR code that Wix provides. This is a fantastic way to reach your audience on their mobile devices and keep them engaged with your content. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.